guys, and welcome back to another video. We're going to be making, as you've guessed and saw the pictures probably, we're going to be making a heart shape. About like 10 days ago or 2 weeks ago, I put out a little survey under the community tab to see what you guys wanted to see as a video, and most of you chose you wanted to see like a shape or a star or a heart or something, etc. So I chose to create a heart because it was something that you can create as a gift, and it's a very fun shape to make. I always start with a hand-drawn design of my own. It's just to keep me on track, basically. I don't 100% stick to the initial design, but it is somewhere to basically take me along with. Along the way, like the initial design, when I put it on paper, it does not stay the same. Because as I'm working on it, I see something else, or the paper, the way it is put on the actual base paper does not always coincide with the design that I initially put. So it is okay. It is just a guidelines. That's what I'd like to call them. But it's good to have like a main direction. So you'll see that the finished product is going to be a slightly different than this, but that's okay. There's nothing wrong with it. I actually kind of prefer it because when I do it like this, each design is different. Like even though I sell it on Etsy, I sell it on my website, but sometimes when a new order comes in, I have to remake the order. I don't have like a bunch of the same thing already made. I have to remake the order every time I get one in. So it is different every time I do this, which is good because it becomes a one-of-a-kind job. It is like the general idea is the same, but the details are different on every design that I do and sell. So that's actually the fun part. I think the one that I struggled with this one was it was very symmetrical. Like both sides had to be the same. Since it's a heart and you're looking at it, I thought that it was the good direction to go, but I find that to give every curl the same exact angle is something that I've never done before, so I was really out of my comfort zone. I think it ended up okay in the end, but it's not like, it's kind of like your face. It's not going to be the same exact thing on both sides. Initially, when you think about it, oh, it's fun, you know, it's symmetrical, it's fun, but I did have quite a bit of a hard time trying to get things exactly as they are. They're not. They're nowhere near, but they look similar enough to give that idea of the symmetry. It's always easier when you don't have something else to compare it to. That's what symmetry does. It's okay. It was good. It felt like a challenge, and you're gonna see it. It ended up being really nice. I think that this would make a great gift. I mean, I know Mother's Day has passed or Valentine's Day has passed, but for the next ones, or a birthday might be coming up, this would be a great thing to give to your mom, give to your dad, give to your siblings, your lovers, the people that you love, your best friend. This would make a great gift, so you don't actually have to spend too much time outside trying to find a gift. This will be something that you've made for them. This makes it even more special, I think. So I hope you guys like this, and I hope that you are pausing this video and doing this with me. I know that I've sped up a lot of the video, a lot of the footage, because it was just boring of me just curling up paper, and it takes a long time. Like you're seeing this, the whole video is 6 minutes long, but it is I think this bite-sized version is good. And if you want to see more stuff like this, hit that like button and consider subscribing. I'm going to use the community tab. That's something new for me. I have not utilized it before. I don't know why, but I'm paying more attention to YouTube nowadays. So I want to utilize it more because I want to hear more from you. I want to do things that you will want to see. So I want to hear your voice, and I will be putting out surveys out there to see what you would like to see next. And I hope you participate in that. It would be fun. We can start a discussion going. And without further ado, I'm going to leave you alone with the rest of the video because we're coming up to the end and I'm going to wrap up. All the tools that I used, they have links in the description box below, so I got your back that way. And if you want to learn something more, just ask me, put it in the comments below, and I'll respond as soon as I can. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!